the most important thing between now and the exam is study every single day. I'm serious. You might be kind of mad right now, and you're thinking, hey, man, every single day, isn't that asking a bit much? Kinda. But let me clarify. You do not need to study for 2 hours every single day. I'm not saying you should. You don't even need to study for 1 hour every single day. You don't even need to study for 30 minutes every single day. Yeah, so Ashish, how many hours? No hours. I usually recommend, and this is actually a goal that I have with all of my private tutoring students, that they practice for at least 10 minutes every single day. Now, that's the bare minimum. And when I give them that goal, I am expecting that there are some days that they're practicing more. But realistically, if you practiced for 15 minutes every single day, and I do mean weekends as well, 15 minutes, is it really that hard to put aside 15 minutes? No. And here's the really cool thing. 15 minutes a day is not quite going to be 2 hours a week, right? If you studied for 5 hours, but you only did it 1 day a week, I guarantee you would have worse results than if you studied for 15 minutes every single day. This is based on one of the coolest things that I learned when I was doing my master's in education, which is just the quality of retention that you get from spaced repetition and consistency. It is so important that you are consistent. So I'm serious about this. I learned about this from studying. You could also just think about it in terms of, I like to think like anybody who exercises or has a sport or a hobby, like guitar. Where's my guitar? There, guitar. If you play the guitar, would you get better faster if you played the guitar and you practiced for 15 minutes every day, or if you only played on Saturdays but you played for 5 hours, right? You're going to get so much better with the consistency. And also, importantly, you're not going to poop yourself out. And with the SAT, it's especially important because there's a ton of stuff on the SAT, especially when we get into math. You need to learn a lot of stuff. So if you're trying to learn it all in the same day, once a week, all of those ideas get jumbled together and you're going to lose the majority of it. So please, please, please do small chunks, but do them every single day. That is the most important thing. I'm deadly serious.